What's up, everybody? Come on in here, let's talk about this. So anybody who knows anything about tech knows that Apple created wireless charging when the iPhone 10 came out. What was that, earlier this year or last year sometime? Man, it's a big thing, crazy thing, where you can literally just slap your phone on a surface and then it just starts charging. That is incredible. There's also fast wireless charging. So not only do you slap your phone on a surface and it starts charging, it also charges faster than it normally would if, wait a minute, it's slower than plugged in charging, but it's faster than regular wireless charging. Got that? Anyways, we're gonna check out this wireless charging pad from Doca, man, because we are in the future and that's how we charge our phone batteries now. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, get my fingernails in there, and then let's unbox it. Not too much to the unboxing experience here. Got some tips, anything I need to know about. It's definitely, okay, so it says wireless charger is definitely slower than charge with power cable, while fast charging wireless is 1.4 times faster than standard wireless charging for S7 Edge, blah, 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 blah. Let's just get on with that. But yes, you do know that this is a fast wireless charger, but it is still slower than your typical plug-in charger. It just kind of makes sense. Are you happy? Are you not happy? I don't know yet. We'll talk about that. So we got some more instructions here. It says to use the actual charger that came with your phone if you got a fast charger with your phone. Okay, so Apple guys, you didn't get that. So I got one with my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Man, I'm trolling hard. I got one with my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 right here. And then I have a wire. Does it come with anything? Let me see. Okay, so we do have a wire that is actually attached to it. So we don't need this. Let's open this up. Okay, put that off to the side. Got some rubber padding on the bottom so it doesn't slide all over the place. This is a pretty nice feeling, nice looking charger. Nothing crazy, just Doca right on the top there. Fast charge. All right, let me unravel this. You know, I really like these cable ties. I use them for all kinds of stuff. So let me put this off to the side because I might have a use for that later. All right, probably won't need the instructions anymore. But what is this? So, oh, it's some kind of tassel, man. Let me see what this is. Let me open this up. Doesn't smell like anything. I don't know, is this for good luck? Is this from the Illuminati? What is this? Man, this is actually pretty cool, man. It's pretty ornate. So you can hang that on your rearview mirror or something. I don't know what you're gonna do with it, but it is cool. Let me put that right back in here. And we will put this box over to the side. I don't know how respectful I need to be to this box. It's pretty plain. But you know what? This cord is actually pretty short. So that might be a problem for me, that I cannot disconnect this thing, and it's actually not that long. Now I got my wife's phone with me because my phone has that kickstand on the back and sometimes it doesn't lay flat or it doesn't allow the surface to connect on wireless chargers. So what I did was I stole my wife's phone, hence the pink case, and let's see if this bad boy charges. Oh, she's got it on silent. Okay, you see the green light? Let me show you. Let me pick that up. Okay, so the green LED is actually off right now. So I'm gonna put this phone on with the case just to make sure it'll charge with the case. This is a Spigen Neo hybrid case, just in case you're wondering. So I'll put it on here. Let's see what it does. All right, green light fires up, and then we have 67% fast charge with the case on. Awesome. All right, so this charger is definitely working. This is actually gonna be my wife's new charger. Let's put that right there. The green light's on, charging again. Love it when products just work, man. It's a very simple product, but effective. You can just lay your phone flat on the table like that, pick it up when you need it. Don't have to worry about wearing out your USB-C plug right here. It's just convenient to have a wireless charger, man. So if you're looking, it just does its job. It's just charging. Anyways, but if you're looking for a charger, man, I say you pick this one up. Works, does fast charging. As far as how long it takes, that really depends on how much your battery is drained and you know, the size of the battery and all that good stuff. But it says fast charging on here, so I trust Samsung. I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews and I kind of needed a charger. So before I get out of here, y'all go ahead and make sure y'all tap on that like button. Whoa, back up. First of all, hit that little notification bell. That's what you do. Hit the notification bell. Then you tap on the like button and then you just smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.